Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. If you are tired of forgetting importing tags, then we have a perfect solution for you. Today, we have something exciting to learn. We will be building a tax reminder using Python. So, it's a perfect solution for those who are tired of forgetting their important tags in daily life. So, this is going to be a lot of more interesting and amazing project. So, let's dive right in it. So to create this project, we're going to use two modules. They are time and player. We will use time to send to get the current time, and we'll use player to send the notification. So we will write input time, and we will write from player input notifications, and like you can install the player by clicking on the terminal and writing pip install player. So now first of all, we want to grab the data from the user, like what are the user tags and how many tags the user has to perform. So we'll define a variable. Okay. So here we're going to create an array which is going to store all of our tags. So we'll write tags, which is an array, and we will write tags count to count how many tags the user have. So we wanted it in the form of integer, so I'm going to write int, so it will convert all the string into integer. And here I'm going to enter the number of tags. Okay, so now after that we're going to set a for loop. Okay, so let me do like I equals 0. So we're going to set the value of I to 1. Okay, so not 0. And then we're going to set loop like for I in range. So we're going to set a loop until the tax count number is matched. Okay, so here we will write tax equals input, and here we will write enter the tax I. So it will print like in the tax 1, and we will define tax time which will like when the user need to perform a task, like I need to go to work at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. So I'm going to write tax work and time 5:30 a.m. Okay, so we need to ask the user for his tax time, so we will write input, and here we will do like enter the tax time, and here we will write in format. We're going to ask the user in hour is to minute format. Okay, so let me correct this spelling. After that, we're going to send this tax and tax time into our tax array by writing tax.append. What do we want to append? Tax, and let's give a comma in tax time. Okay, so now we are done. After that, we're going to say we're going to return the tax. Okay, so that we can use it further. Right, return tax. Okay, now after that, what we're going to do is just we're going to convert the time into second. Okay, so def time string. So we're going to converting the time string into second. So we will write hour minute equals map. In here we will write integer, and after that we will write time string dot split with what? Split with this. Now after that, let me return hour into 3600 plus minute into 60. So now what it's going to do, what this function will take the time and like suppose the user give 130, then it's going to multiply the 1 by 3600 and it's going to add 30 minutes multiplied by 60 equals to 004 5 54,000 5400 second. Okay, like this it is going to convert our time into seconds, make it easier to match our time in the upcoming code. So we'll write main code over here, def main. Okay, so inside the main, first we will like write tax equals get user detail function. We will call this function, and then we're going to set endless while true loop. While true, what we're going to do, we're going to get the current time. The current time equals time, which is the module we have imported, time dot start time. In here we will write percent I is to percent m, and we're going to keep a comma, and here we'll write time dot local time, so that we will get the local time in the current time variable. Okay, after that we're going to set a for loop. So we will write for the tax comma tax, for tax and tax time in tax, for tax and tax time in tax. We're going to match if the time is correct. If current time equals the tax time, then what we're going to do, uh wait, let me write over here tax time. Okay, so if a condition will be true, then we're going to notify it by using notification dot notify. What we want to notify, title will be tax remainder, and let's put a comma, and message will be, there we will write it's time for, and here we will write tax and give explanation mark. And now we want the notification to be disappear after some period of time, so we will write timeout equals 20 seconds. After 20 seconds it is going to be disappeared. After that we will write like tax dot remove. What do we want to remove? The tax that has been notified. Okay, so we will write tax, and we will give comma, and we'll write tax lowered as time. I think that much. And in the for loop we're going to set time like time dot sleep, like every 10 seconds it should like every 1 second it should take rest and check the condition, check if that the condition makes again. So we will set, now we will run if load as name equals load as main, then we want to run main function. So here we need to write 2 equals. Oh yeah, now let us run the code. Into the number of tasks, I have 1 task, and wait, into the task 0, we're getting error. Let me fix that. Okay, into the task will be 1 and how many 06 33. got some error. See what's the error. Oh, just a spelling error. Let me run it again. The number of tasks 1, and it will be walk, and 06, and it will be 50. Let's hit the enter and wait. Okay, so you can see it's showing us a notification. It's time for work. Okay, so now after 20 seconds, then it should be disappear automatically. Okay, let me wait. Yeah, you can see it's working. Now let's start by entering some more details. Okay, like some more tasks. So first let me fix it. So let me delete this I1, and here let me write I plus 1 and enter the tax time for I plus 1, and we restart it with the number of tasks. Suppose I have two tasks. Enter the task 1 will be work and time 06:51, and task 2 will be code and 06:52. Okay, now it will. Okay, so you can see we have got a reminder for walk, and after that we let me minimize this and fix the spelling. Okay, so here the it's and yeah, after that you can make it more attractive. Okay, now let's wait for 6:52. Yeah, it's simple and it's very useful in our daily life. It will make our life easier. So yeah, that's much for today's video. The source code will be in the description, so you can have access from there. And yeah, that's much for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.